Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna continue my 1 month Python course, and today the fourth day of my Python course. So let's start. And I'm gonna start with the checking my plan. And today the day number 4. The topic is working with strings, string manipulation, formatting, and common string methods. Okay, what I'm gonna do is copying this topic, and I'm gonna write a request for ChatGPT bot. Yeah, should be polite. Write please formation with examples for Python course topic. Okay, let's press enter, and we are waiting for reply from ChatGPT bot. Okay, here we go. I zoom it in. Okay. Day number 4, working with strings, string manipulation, formatting, and common string methods. In Python, strings are sequences of characters and are widely used for representing text data. Day number 4 of the Python course focuses on working with strings and covers various aspects such as string manipulation, formatting, and commonly used string methods. Let's explore these concepts with examples. Okay, first point is string manipulation. String manipulation involves modifying or manipulating strings to achieve desired results. Here are some common operations. Concatenation. String can be combined using the concatenation operator plus to create a new string. So on this example, firstly, these strings assigned to first name and last name variables, and then it is a concatenation. It's a new variable, full name, means first name plus last name. Okay, on the output, you see the result of this concatenation after the print full name, print this variable. Okay, here we go. Move on. Point number B, slicing. Portion of string can be extracted using slicing, which allows you to specify the start and end indices. Okay, in this example, this string assigned to this variable, and then print function using slicing. By this way, you see on the output only string world. Point number C, changing case. Strings have built-in methods to change the case of characters. So this string assigned to this variable, and then using print function and plus lower and upper methods, you see on the output that you can change a case of character. On this line, you see the lowercase. On this line, you see the uppercase. Okay, point number 2, string formatting. String formatting allows you to create dynamic strings by inserting values into placeholders. Here are 2 common ways to format strings. Using this operator, you can use the operator to format strings by specifying placeholders and values. Okay, you see the example here. On this line, you can see we use the sign here and here to insert in a data, and we insert data, we specify data here. Okay, B, using F strings, formatted string literals. Introduced in Python 3.6, F strings provide a concise and readable way to format strings. Okay, actually this method is my favorite one, and I usually use this method. So you see how you can use it. So you have to type F here and then specify this space variable. So it's really convenient. Point number 3, common string methods. Python provides numerous built-in string methods that simplify string manipulation. Here are a few commonly used methods. First one is the len, returns the length of a string. So you can see on this example how you can use it. B, it's a method split. Split a string into a list of substrings based on a specified delimiter. Okay, you see on this line, you see how you can use this method. And after using this method, you print this variable. and you can see what you have on the output. Okay, C. Replace. Replace occurrences of a substring with another substring. Okay, here's example. So on this line, this method performed, and you see on the output the result of this method. Okay, next one, find. This method returns the index of the first occurrence of a substring within a string. So there is example. You see there is this string assigned to this variable message of this string world. It's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's a 7th first occurrence. Okay, these examples represent just a fraction of what you can do with strings in Python. String manipulation, formatting, and the available string method provide powerful tool for working with textual data in your program. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like it and see you on the next lessons.